Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we will be learning a technique how to divide any number by 11. In this example, 68,051 divided by 11. The first step is to copy the first digit from the dividend as it is. Next, multiply it by -1 and add to the adjacent digit and continue the step with the other digits. So 8 plus -6 is +2. 2 times -1 is -2. Add it to 0, you get -2, and you multiply it again to -1 and you get a +2. You add that to 5 and you get 7. And then you multiply 7 with -1. You get -7. 1 plus -7 is -6. Step 3, combine all except the last set of digits as shown to get partial quotient. Notice that you have a negative number in your partial quotient, which cannot constitute to your final quotient. So we treat the two numbers adjacent, which are +2 and -2 as shown. Since the +2 in the partial quotient is considered 10 times larger than -2 in terms of place value, +2 becomes 20, and if you add 20 plus -2, you get 18. And this will substitute the number +2 and -2 in your partial quotient. So this becomes 6,187. Step 4, if the last set of digits is less than 0, add 11 to it and subtract 1 from the partial quotient to get the final quotient and the final remainder. 1 plus -7 is -6 plus 11, you get a final remainder of +5, and you subtract -1 from the partial quotient, which gives us a final quotient of 6,186. There you got the final answer. 68,051 divided by 11 is equal to 6,186 remainder 5. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.